Ever wondered how many monkeys call Thailand home? Today, we're diving into the lush jungles and vibrant cities to uncover the secrets of the kingdom's playful primate population. Get ready for a wild ride filled with antics, laughter, and a closer look at Thailand's mischievous monkey residents. Our journey starts with the age-old question: how many monkeys are there in Thailand? As we swing from tree to tree, we'll explore the jungles where these cheeky creatures showcase their incredible agility. Spoiler alert, there's more monkey business than you might think. Venturing to the iconic Monkey Temple, we'll discover how these furry residents have made it their home. From snatching snacks to friendly interactions, the temple is a hot spot for primate charm. But just how many are there? Let's find out. Taking to the streets, we'll witness urban-savvy monkeys flaunting their street-smart antics. Keep your eyes peeled as these city-dwelling monkeys navigate their way through bustling areas. The question lingers: are they as street-smart in numbers as they are in wit? In the quest for dominance and territory, monkeys occasionally find themselves in skirmishes. Witnessing their clashes can be both intense and fascinating. How many monkeys are involved in these disputes? And what sparks these occasional showdowns? Let's find out. Our journey takes us to urban landscapes where many monkeys have adapted to city living. How many monkeys traverse buildings, scaling heights, and exploring human structures? Ever wondered how many monkeys navigate the intricate network of electric cables? Brace yourself as we observe their daring walks through live wires, showcasing an incredible balance between agility and caution. It's a high-wire act you won't believe. In the midst of their electrifying adventures, we explore the challenges these monkeys face. How many monkeys have encountered accidents or hazards while traversing live wires? It's a stark reminder of the risks these primates take in their quest for survival. Balancing precariously on live wires, how many monkeys exhibit unparalleled acrobatics? Watch as they perform feats of agility and coordination, defying the odds to navigate their unconventional habitats. It's a breathtaking display of nature's adaptability. Our exploration sheds light on how human infrastructure impacts the lives of these monkeys. How many have faced challenges and dangers due to our expanding urban footprint? It's a sobering look at the delicate balance between wildlife and human development. Now you might be wondering, how many monkeys are there in Thailand? Well, it's a bit of a monkey mystery. Unlike a traditional census, these populations fluctuate yearly, making it tricky to pin down an exact number. Why, you ask? The question itself is quite relative. You see, monkey populations depend on factors like food availability, habitat changes, and even human interactions. It's a dynamic scenario that keeps researchers and conservationists on their toes. So, as we conclude our journey through the vibrant lives of Thailand's monkeys, the question remains: how many monkeys are there? It's a question with no fixed answer, reflecting the dynamic nature of their existence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue to explore the ever-changing world of these incredible primates. Until next time, stay wild